This is a Century Communities Plan, Brazos. This one is almost done. And I'm filming it here in the Woodland Hills. But let's go inside and take a look. This is a 4-bedroom home and it has 3 full bathrooms. So let's go and check it out and see what it looks like. These are 9-foot ceilings. There's a bedroom 1. Full bathroom. Bedroom 2. Come down this hall. Here's the garage. Tankless water heater. Supply lines in the corner over here to shut the water off to the house. Garage door opener. There'll be a sprinkler system in the house. They're putting that in right there. Coat closet. Bedroom 3. And this one has its own bathroom. There you go. Behind the door here. Linen closet. Big kitchen area. And this will have the refrigerator there as well. This will be your dining area right here. Living room over here. Covered patio. There's a stub out right there for gas. They're still putting in the grass back here. Look how big this area is. It's huge. Large pantry. Here's the master bedroom, but there's a way to go in through there as well. But here's the master bedroom. It's got a nice tray ceiling here as well. And you come on in. Big walk-in closet. Dual sink. Separate tub shower. Toilet has a door. And then you can go through the utility room. And this is where the washing machine and dryer will go. And it'll come with the house as well. Wi-Fi thermostat. But that's pretty cool. So if you have your clothes, you can just bring them in here. And this is right over 2,000 square feet. And this is a plan Brazos. If you got any questions about it, let me know.